Hello everyone, my name is Joanna and here you can find support in healing insecure attachment system. Today's video is dedicated to one of my clients who struggles with anxiety. So I hope this video will help her to manage and process her anxiety to the point where the anxiety will not be so often and so intense. But I also hope this video will help other people who struggles with anxiety. So now I'll play the recording. Please try to follow the steps. Before the recording starts, if you are at the point that the whole purpose of this video for you is to, when you are experiencing anxiety now, I want you to do with me breathing exercise. So this is inhale, this is hold, this is exhale, this is hold. And we inhale through nose, exhale through mouth. So let's get started. Inhale. Okay. So now take a deep breath. Listen to the recording. Try to journal if you can. If you cannot, try to do it mentally. And I hope to see you again on our sessions. I know today is your birthday, so I wish you a happy birthday. Thank you. Anxiety is like a hypnotic state and you have to wake up. Your thoughts, beliefs, and assumptions stored in your subconscious mind, which are associated with rejection and being ignored, are reprojected onto your current situation. Now read, write, or listen the purpose of the anxiety. Anxiety is a feeling which is communicating me that I perceive that something is not right and I need to address the situation, solve perceived challenge, question my beliefs, meet my needs, make unknown known, replace fearful thoughts with realistic thoughts. Now, ask yourself questions on the paper if you can, which will help you to find the root cause of your anxiety. What thought is causing me stress? What is the most painful thought in this situation? What feels unknown, unresolved? What is my painful assumption regarding this situation? And what perception do I have about me in this situation? Try to answer in I am statement. In this situation, I am, or this situation makes me feel like I am. Now is time to question your thoughts, assumptions, and beliefs to get in touch with the reality, not the story you're telling yourself, which is coming from your repetitive previous experiences and the meaning with emotions which were stored in your subconscious mind and now are reprojected onto your current situation. To each painful thought, assumption, ask these questions. Is my thought, assumption true? Can I be sure that this is true? Can I be 100% sure that what I'm assuming will actually happen? What less painful assumption can I make about this situation? How can I reframe my most stressful thought into thought which will create a sense of relief? What proof do I have that can confirm that my painful assumption does not have to be true or does not have to happen? Now, reconnect with your wounded aspect, your inner child, and create change. If you can, try to write it down. Because my mind is reprojecting all of the meanings, assumptions I associate with me being rejected or ignored by my parent. I'm assuming that this situation is the same. How am I more powerful and safe now? What is available to me now, which was not available back then? Now feel compassion for yourself and this wounded aspect of you, your inner child, the one who was ignored by parent. Feel compassion, understanding, and support. Validate your feelings. This situation is different, and now this wounded aspect of you has your presence, understanding, and love, and you are not rejecting yourself. You're not rejecting your emotions and your needs. They are valid, and now you can process them and you can meet your needs. Because I know that part of your anxiety is the fear of experiencing the anxiety. Recognize now how you are able to manage and understand the whole process and the purpose of the anxiety. You are more powerful than the emotional experience.